Are you Sharan?
Hey, hi, yeah.
Hi, I'm Khushi from third year. I heard that you have bagged a placement opportunity in Germany. Congratulations on that.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
I have also heard that you have met the Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. So, as you have completed your placement process and bagged a great opportunity in a great company, can you just tell me your process of preparation for successful placement?
Sure, like me going from a student to cracking out a job over 20 LPA, yeah, my journey was more like a learning and growth. So, apart from my efforts, like there's a lot of support that I got from the CRCS department as well.
Do you know that even from our batch, students have bagged opportunities for placement in companies like Amazon, Autodesk, Barclays, BNY Mellon, and even our juniors have received the internship opportunities from great companies like Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, and L&T, and many more. So, can you just tell me that what was the highest package received by the students of your batch?
Yeah, that's great. Like that's a great number of companies. So in our batch, like we also have a lot of companies, like let's say around 500 plus recruiters from top companies. So for us, like there are companies like Microsoft, Autodesk, and PayPal, Barclays, Amazon, like that. And most of my friends got an opportunity of around 40 lakhs.
Superb. You know, our university have bagged great awards, and some of them are Placement Award by Asian Today, and also Emerging University in Placement in Research by Times Engineering Ranking.
I know. I just graduated from SRMIP. I didn't retire to the Himalayas. Yeah, this is actually predictable because CRCS has brought up a lot of companies and it helped a lot of students like to get placed. Regarding the competition that is right now in the job market, like CRCS really done a great job.
Oh, that's really helpful for us, even for our third years as well. So, as you've completed your whole placement process successfully, can you just give some tips, because you are now in chill mood, but I am in anxious mood because I'm yet to be placed.
There is nothing to be worried because you are just starting your placement journey. CRCS has already helped us a lot before we get into our final years, because in SRMAP you will be trained since your first year because of the curriculum embedded technical talks or the guest lectures or various alumni sessions which help us a lot in our placement experience.
Yes, you're right, because from the starting of the first SEM, we have been taught tech skills, behavior skills, analytical skills, and aptitude skills, which will help us in our whole placement process.
Simply speaking, these skills like the formation of the core academics to the foundation of the journey through classroom and boardroom.
Oh, that's really helpful, because core subjects and skills will help us in gaining the placement process successfully. So, can you just tell me what is the initiative taken by CRCS department in our whole placement process?
That's a great question. Like apart from building the foundation, CRCS also conducts a lot of industry readiness, let's say like the tech talks or the alumni sessions, as well as you will be assigning a separate mentor for you. So with that, he will be guiding you round the clock until your placement gets finished. So when you get stuck, you can just contact him or reach him so that you can get your doubts clarified regarding your placements. So as well as CRCS also offers us a lot of internship opportunities and global certifications. It also helps you in preparing your in your resume preparation, as well as it brings a lot of companies. So you will have a lot of opportunities first thing. So when you enter your 6th semester, right, you will be having extensive training where the domain training and the technical training will be initiated so that you will be ready when the companies arrive at the campus.
Now things are getting a bit clear in my mind. Sharan, if you want to give me one last tip or suggestion, what would it be?
All I can say is that just follow the guidelines that CRCS gives to the team. CRCS keeps a lot of effort in bringing us the companies and it also trains us a lot. But despite CRCS giving us a 200% effort, you should be focused more on your work as well as your placement preparation. So the dedication and the hard work you keep in is the one that gets your dream job or makes your placement get cracked.
Thank you so much, Sharan. Your inspiring words will really help me and others also get a great opportunity and placement. Thank you.